Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to find deleted posts on Instagram. So without any further ado, let's get right into it. Once you have logged in into your Instagram account, head over to your profile and go to the hamburger menu. Let me tell you something here. You must go to your settings and previously just make sure your deleted posts are going to your archive. So if the settings is like that, then you might find all your deleted posts in your archive, and so get over to archive. And once you're there, you can see an option post archive drop down box, and if it's currently in stories archive, it might show like this. And if you want it to be posts archive that you wanna see, so head over to posts archive and it will show you your deleted post of your Instagram account. And yeah, that's it. Hope this video will help you out, and make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you in the next one.